Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Zapier to Base44. First, sign up and log into zapier.com. Now, log into Base44 account and open your project. After this, navigate to the integration or automation section, then enable Zapier integration. So find and activate the Zapier integration option in the Base44 if you have it in your plan. Then follow the prompts to authenticate and connect your Zapier account. Or you can also navigate to Zapier and click on App Connections. Now click on Search by Name and search for Base44. Hit Enter. Now click on Add Connection and search for Base44. Now choose Base44, click on Add Connection. Now you will see this page where you'll have to simply enter the Base44 API key. So what we'll do is navigate to Base44. Now here what you're going to do is click on this Base44's icon at the top left, then choose Settings and click on Account. Scroll down and copy this API key just right here. Then navigate back here and enter your API key, then click on Yes, continue to Base44. After you do this, you would have successfully connected your Zapier to your Base44. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.